What's up, guys? Patrick for Anime Tech here, and we're just gonna. This is another hex chat. Oh my! I actually did that. Wow. Anyways, another Discord tutorial. I'm actually gonna be doing hex chat tutorial here pretty soon, probably, just because I've been shown so much love on the other ones. But anyways, what I'm gonna be doing here, guys, is I'm basically gonna be running down the server settings on here for you guys. And it's easy. I'm just going to show you guys, but I'm just basically going to give you a basic understanding of what they are and how you can use them. So, let's get right to it. Before we actually get into the actual server settings, I'm going to show you guys some other personal settings, and that's they got the change nickname, which is basically your nickname right here that shows on the server. It's not your actual username that it changes, it just changes your nickname that that shows on the server. And you can do it from this, or just cancel that. You can right click and go right here and change nickname. Same thing. Also, you got privacy settings, which is basically just allow direct messages from server members. Basically just lets them direct message you or private message you, whichever one you want to use. Discord says direct message, which basically technically is, because it's a direct message between, other than like hex chat or something like IRC where it's a private message between you and one person. On hex chat you can actually add more people to a group, and it's like a group chat, so it's technically just a direct message. But not only that, you also got the notification settings, of course, where you can mute this server. You got all messages. This is basically server notification settings. All messages, only mentions. I pretty much didn't change anything on here, guys, except for this right here. Whenever I left, it was only mentions. I don't know why I did. I just did, but yeah. It's usually on all messages. You just want to change it to only mentions. Suppress everyone. Suppress at everyone in here. You don't want to do that. That just suppresses if. I'll just explain it here in a minute, guys. You got the mobile push notification. Yeah, that's basically. If you guys don't know what push notification is, then on your Windows 10, they added something called push notifications, which has been on phones for a long time, on Android and everything. It's just a little message that pops up right here. Well, it doesn't pop up in this window for me because this is my secondary monitor. But yeah, it's just a little push notification that comes out like, hey, blah 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 blah. And you can also enable push notifications on Twitter whenever you have your web browser open. So if you got anything while you're gone, you can just open up your web browser, and actually Twitter notifications will just pop up. That's a little tip for you guys also. If you, I don't know if it does that on other ones, but I know it does on Chrome. Channel notification settings, you got welcome, and this is all basically self-explanatory right here, guys. But I'm just gonna. Oh, one more thing. If you guys are having trouble, I know whenever you first open up, get a channel started and everything, you'll have this thing. This one right here, invite people. It'll be right here. But if you just right, I don't know, it was somewhere right in here or something, right here or something. I don't know. I don't really remember. It's been a while. But it actually just moves into here after you invite people. And this, just so you guys know, these just normal ones, they just expire after 30 minutes if you try to send one to someone. I'm actually going to show you guys how to send one to someone real quick right after this. But you can this is just for if someone's on something else, I don't know, hex chat, for example. They can just click on this as long as they got the Discord app open. It'll just bring up the Discord, and then just hey, you got invited by such and such, Mr. Anime or something like that. Do you want to join? That's basically what that does. And you can set this to never expire, so you can just copy it, and you have to revoke those. If you actually do that, you have to revoke them in the server settings. I'll show you guys how to do that. It's super simple. But anyways, if you want to just invite someone who's already on your friends list here on Discord, you basically just go over here, and as long as you've been friends with them for a while. Oh yeah, that was a test thing. I forgot. But anyways, like Moto-chan right here, cool guy, and he's pretty cool. How about I just invite him to server? I can just choose whichever server I'm in, invite him, as long as they got the server settings set to where I can invite him. If I'm like a new member, like the Cowibot server, I'm actually going to show you guys how to do. I'm actually going to show you guys how to add bots to your server in the next video, which is probably going to be coming out a couple days after this one. So it's super simple and it's really fun. I mean, you just want certain bots. That's the only problem, is certain bots that you don't want to flood it with bots, because then it gets unfun. I'll sometimes just go and see what new bots are out and then start adding them to the channel, see what they do and everything, and see how they work, and annoy my administrator Kiriti. She gets pretty pissed off, and it's pretty funny, but I found it funny just because. And if you're watching this right now, I know you're like, yeah, yep. She's Indian, by the way. She was like, oh, no, I don't even know. I don't even know what I'm saying anymore. But yeah, that's how you invite people. Now let's just get to where we're gonna do in the main part of this video, which is going through the server settings. There's actually two ways you can actually just do that and go to there, or you can right-click right here and server settings, and it'll bring you the same window right there. We pretty much went over all these. I pretty much said, blah blah. And you might want to add an AFK channel, by the way, guys. It's you guys know how to add a channel. Just plus channel name AFK, and then just press enter, and then AFK right there. Let's just go over here to server settings again. AFK channel. Whatever. I don't care. I'll figure it out later. And then you have, we already went through all this, and here it is. Only mentions. This is what I changed right here earlier, whenever I left from the other one. Usually it's set to that, and I just changed it to only mention at mentions, which is basically what the mentions is whatever role you're in, as long as it has, let me go to roles real quick, since you guys already pretty much know what those are. If, like, say this one, see how I have that? It's automatically set to not, but I set that just for the purpose of the video. But allow at mentions for this role, and basically that just allows people to go like type the at symbol, and then yeah. And then we're gonna go over here to invites. This is where you can revoke them, actually, like this one right here. See how that I can just revoke it, and if it's an infant one, I can revoke it too. It's super simple to revoke those guys. Yeah, integrations. Basically, this is if you have a partner, like a Twitch account or YouTube gaming account, you can connect it, and you can like add roles to some stuff. I don't know, it's kind of weird. I'm not really sure how it works. I've never used it. And then you guys can go over here to your members, and it basically just shows who's members. Apparently nobody's members. I would have swore it showed me on here earlier. I guess it decided I'm not a member anymore. Huh, oh well. You got roles, where I showed you guys how to do all that earlier. And there's a lot of stuff you guys can do on here also. You got bans. Basically this will show up somebody's banned, you can unban them. And this is actually one of my favorite features that they just added this, I want to say two weeks ago, something like that. You can actually have your own emojis on here. It's only up to 50 of your your emojis. They can be, I think, up to 100 by 100. Yeah, you can look. I have to look really quick. Long can be contain alphabetic characters. Emoji names must be at least 2 characters long and can only contain characters underscores. Yeah, if I remember correctly, they can only be like 100 by 100 or something like it. Might be 500 by 500. I think I have an emoji somewhere right here in pictures, maybe. You guys are gonna have a look into my stuff here. No, SD card. Let's go over here. Photos. YouTube Anime Tech. Discord. Here it is. Yeah, here's one. this is basically what you do right here. You just find those little pictures on the internet that you want for your emojis, and they can be like I think they can be pretty much any file type, PNG, JPEG. I think they just like the main file types. I'm pretty sure, most likely. We're just gonna remove that. Oh, I forgot. I was gonna show you guys how to. Yeah, I'm gonna show you guys actually how to name those real quick. This is going to be a really long tutorial. Basically, you just do this, and the name, and I'll show you guys how to do this. Just lewd. I'll show you guys how to do this after. I'll show you guys. Yeah, I just keep on saying I'll show you guys. Wow, like 4 times. Yeah, and then you guys got widget here, which this is pretty neat. Basically, what this you can actually enable the widget right here. And then what it does is you get to choose a channel like Welcome, Lounge, AFK. Let's just do the welcome channel because we want people to join that first, right? To know the rules and everything. And then we got the pre-made widget right here. And then what we can do, basically what that does, is that's where you can like paste it in a that's like I believe that's yeah that looks like HTML maybe. Yeah, it looks like a basic HTML right there. But this is the one that's really interesting because you can paste this on social media from now in time, like Twitter, Facebook, you know, YouTube. I post it in the description of YouTube, which I'm going to be doing with my Anime Tech server. So you guys know, look in the description, you'll be able to find one of these on my next. I'm probably going to add that to all my recent videos from, because today's Sunday. Tomorrow's Monday, which means I got that video coming out, so which is pretty cool. This is going to be a really long tutorial, guys. Basically what this does, whenever somebody clicks on it, it opens up a separate window, which they can join from anywhere, pretty much, as long as they're logged into Discord. If they're not logged in, I think they have to be logged in, but whatever. This is also a really neat one. This is basically does the same thing. I think it's a little bit different. I'm not really new, but I'm pretty new to Discord. Let's create webhook. Spidey But yeah, you got the welcome, you got the discord.com API webhook, blah blah blah, and then that's basically what that does. Yeah. I think that this might actually be the one that opens up the dialogue, but I think the other one also does. Don't quote me on that, guys. Actually, here's a neat one. This the security, the 2FA, the two-factor authentication. I personally don't have this enabled because this is basically in case you have like administrators who you're not quite too sure about, you know. But all my administrators on my channel, I completely trust. I've known them for over a year. They've been administrators on my channel on a Hex Chat for over 8 months now, and they're awesome. My mods and everything. I can't give those guys enough grace. To all you, the Kiriti, Manga, Motochan, KOKs, all you guys are awesome. But this is basically, if you're not too sure about them, is where you have to. I'm just going to read off for you guys. Prevent potentially dangerous administrative actions for users without two-factor authentication enabled. This setting can only be changed by the server owner if they have 2FA enabled on their account. Basically, it basically stops administrator actions without like a two-factor authentication where blah blah blah. You have to do this or this, whatever. I believe, and I haven't enabled it, so I don't really know. I don't really need to because nobody really changes anything around the server unless it's me. Any of the administrative stuff, even though I have like 2 administrators, nobody really changes this stuff but me. Which is how it really should be. I mean, even though you have administrators, guys, just remember, they administrate, but you are the server owner. Don't let them bully you around. Even though they do me, but that's because they're work friends. I don't care. Everybody gets bullied. I'm trying to think of anything else I can really show you guys. Yeah, you can mute this channel right here. You can also do pinned messages and stuff. I mean, there's all kinds of stuff. But in the next video, guys, I'm going to be showing you guys how to do bots, which is super simple. I mean, stupid simple. Oh, it's stupid simple. I'll show you guys how to do that. Anyways, guys, if you liked the video, give me a big thumbs up. I really hope you guys do. Share that love. Share the video if you guys would please share it. I'm going to be setting up a Facebook page really soon. It might be up by the time this video is up. If so, check the description. I'm not completely for sure, just so you guys know. I don't really know if if it'll be up by then, because I have to edit the banner and everything, Anime Tech banner, and just so you guys know, I'm kind of in the process of creating a new branding logo. A little bit. I'm kind of in the beginning stages, kind of making a little bit of sketch drawings here and there, but it's nothing you guys should worry about. Sorry, guys. I got kind of a throat cold going on. Anyways, guys, if you guys liked it, thumbs up. Didn't, thumbs down. More complicated? Comment. Got any questions? Comment. I try to answer everybody as much as I can. I mean, if you're a troll, I don't give a crap. Anyways, guys, Patrick, Anime Tech, signing out.